I've heard it said that people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow if we let them.